Hello, universe. It's nice to see you guys again. Oh, hey guys. Look at these sexy things. I'm here at a car show, just messing around with these two nerds right here. My cousins. And yeah, just drooling all over these beauties. It's just beautiful. Beautiful stuff. All over the place. Love all the cars here. It's beautiful. Ooh. You got like some military stuff over there? Let's go check that out. Oh my gosh, it's Herbie. It's Herbie. It's Herbie. Herbie is beautiful. Love this car. Beautiful. I love that. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. What?
Look at that Jeep.
Jeep? Oh yeah. It's a nice one. Let's go look at that. Wait, is that a hearse? Is this a hearse? Oh, that's... It's a hearse, I believe.
A Jeep.
With the Jeep. Dang, those tires are huge. Harley. There's beautiful hunks of metal everywhere. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. All this stuff is just so beautiful. Alright. Alright, hey guys, I'm back, and there was like a weird thing going on over there, like I think it was a fashion show, I don't know, beauty pageant, I really don't know, and yeah, so, sorry this video is going to be a little bit short, but I can't really talk that much. I feel like I'm being drowned out by the airplanes, all the cars driving around, the fashion shows, just the people in general, so I'm just going to end it here, and yeah, so if you guys, Captain Dice gave me a suggestion to do more gameplay video stuff, so I think I'm going to be trying to do some of that, do some like Guild Wars and some like browser games, you know, like Town of Salem, and let's see, what is it, Agar.io, that weird dot game. I could rage at that for a little bit, and you guys might enjoy that. Leave a suggestion for like easy browser games I could do, and yeah, so, but I'm definitely going to just make a character for Guild Wars once I fix my mic on my computer, so it's not automatically being shut off on my computer, and then I will, yeah, just go from there. Have one character designated for my computer, for the videos and stuff, and yeah, from there I will just see where it goes, see what you guys do. I might do some streaming. I was thinking about that, and yeah, so yeah, quiet. I have people, and yeah, so do that. And yeah, just see where it goes from there. So guys, if you like this video, please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, do what you guys do, because you guys are awesome. So, oh, thank you. Thank you. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later, see you guys later on the other side of the universe. So awesome, bye-bye, peoples.